So here's how you can go back to the previous YouTube video on the iPad. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. So if you, for example, go to the playlist, right, or if you just try to play the videos like that, you can see that when you tap on the clip or the video on YouTube, you have the pause play button in the middle, and you have the forward and backwards, right, on the right and left side next to the play button. So you can go to the next video, which is suggested, and then of course you can also tap the back arrow or go to the left, and then it will return back to the original video that you were watching before. So that is how it works. You can just locate these buttons and go back and forth between the videos that you are interested in. Keep in mind, however, that if it works kind of better if you're watching the playlist, because if you try to play a playlist, you'll see which videos are coming up and which videos were before. So you go through a prepared list of videos, not just, the one that gets recommended to you, but it works either way. So that is how it kind of functions. Keep in mind, however, that you might also be storing your watch history. So if you go to your account and go to the settings, you'll be able to see that there might be your history, so you can manage all of your history in it there, and you'll be able to see the videos you've watched on YouTube, not like just go back to the previous one, but see the history of the content that you've been watching. That also works. So let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.